Before washing your Sunbeam electric blanket, there are essential safety steps you must follow to protect both yourself and your blanket. Safety is the most important consideration when preparing to wash any electric blanket. Step 1 is absolutely critical. Disconnect the power cord from the wall outlet. Never attempt to wash an electric blanket while it is still plugged in, as this poses serious safety risks. Step 2. Carefully detach the control cord from the blanket. Look for the connector where the controller plugs into the blanket and gently disconnect it. Step 3. Always check the care label on your specific blanket. This label contains the manufacturer's instructions for water temperature, washing cycle, and drying methods that are safe for your particular model. Remember these important points. Most modern Sunbeam electric blankets are designed to be machine washable, but always verify with your specific care label first. It's also recommended to wash your heated bedding before its initial use. Following these essential preparation steps ensures you can safely wash your Sunbeam electric blanket without damaging the electrical components or compromising your safety. For washing your Sunbeam electric blanket, use specific machine settings to protect the internal wiring. Set your washing machine to a gentle cycle with cold or lukewarm water and use only mild detergent. These items can damage the wiring and insulation of your electric blanket. Avoid hot water, bleach, harsh chemicals, fabric softeners, and dry cleaning. These substances can compromise the safety and functionality of your blanket. For stains, pre-treat by dabbing a small amount of mild detergent directly on the stained area. Rub gently with a soft cloth, avoiding harsh scrubbing that could damage the internal wires. You have two washing options. For machine washing, use a front-loading washer if possible, and wash the blanket by itself to prevent stretching or snagging. For hand washing, use a tub or large sink with cool water and mild detergent, agitating gently without wringing or twisting. After washing, rinse the blanket thoroughly with clean, cold water. Continue rinsing until all detergent is completely removed, as any residue could affect the blanket's performance. For drying, air drying is the preferred method. Lay the blanket flat on a clothesline or drying rack, away from direct sunlight. If your care label permits tumble drying, use only low or air-only settings for a short time, then remove while still slightly damp, and finish air drying. Remember these important points. Ensure your blanket is completely dry before reconnecting any cords. Wash your electric blanket every 2 to 3 months for optimal hygiene, or more frequently if it comes into direct contact with your skin.